Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the art of wire knitting with a twist. We are using the Clover French knitter to create a stunning wire necklace, so grab your tools and let's get started. That's the wire knitting tool we'll be using, the French knitter. We begin by twisting the 4 wires together. Then insert them into the French knitter, ensuring they are held firmly against the body of the tool. Then wrap the wires around the prongs twice. Use the knitter pin to lift the lower layer wire over the upper wire. Repeat these steps until you've achieved your desired length. Once you've reached the right length, release the wires from the knitter and tidy up the ends by weaving them in. Pass the wire into the loops and then pull to secure the end. That's the woven piece. Now we'll gently flatten the wire using a hammer. Cut the required length and then twist the end. Now to protect it from damage, I'm sandwiching it between a thick cloth. This not only preserves the wire but also ensures a smooth, polished finish. Fold a towel in half or a thick cloth and gently flatten the woven piece with a hammer. Instead of using a hammer directly, use a rubber mallet if you have one. It's gentle on your creations and ensures a flawless finish every time. Now I'm bending the long length, and with the same wire, 0.20 mm wire, carefully attach both pieces together to get a wider piece for the neck. Now you can make your necklace as long or as short as you wish. To finish this part, you need to twist the ends to enable the coils fit in. Now using a coiling gizmo, we'll create coils of wire to embellish our design. Use the coiling gizmo tool to coil up the 0.90 mm wire for the findings. Cut the coiled wire to size and attach it to the flattened wire using glue. Now again, you can make these coils as long or as short as you wish. Just get creative with your design. Now you need a strong glue to adhere both parts together. That's the coiled part to the necklace. Like the E6000 glue. Now finally, you need to, for the touch of elegance, we need to add these delicate red flower beads to adorn our jewelry. To attach it, you can use glue or thin wire. And finally, add the wire hook to complete your necklace. To do that, use your round nose plier to grasp the wire and bend it, pulling it towards you. Make your hook to secure the necklace. And there you have it, a gorgeous wire necklace made using the French knitter. Get creative with colors and patterns to make it truly your own. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Happy crafting!